If you are wondering if you can move or remove the Google search bar that we have at the bottom of the home screen on Google Pixel 10a, then the answer is unfortunately no. There is no way to get rid of this widget if you want to keep the default launcher on your phone. The only solution to that problem is by simply installing a third-party launcher that gets rid of the Google search bar. Of course, as a result, your home screen and the app drawer can change how it looks like. So it's up to you if you prefer to have that standard default launcher look, or if you don't mind changing the launcher. So if we go to the search in Google Play Store, then of course you can just simply search for a launcher. Let's say I'm just gonna type launcher in here, and you should be able to find many different launchers that you can use. For example, I'm gonna use this Microsoft launcher. It seems to be like one of the few launchers that do not contain any ads, so I think I can actually recommend this one. Although I encourage you to actually try different launchers that we have listed in the Play Store, simply because you might be able to find something that you like more. So once we open the launcher, we need to set it up, so tap on Get Started. You don't have to agree to the location, but we can agree to send notifications if you want to. We can give access to our photos and videos if you want to. Over here, we don't have to sign into our Microsoft account, we can just skip that. And over here, we can tap on Not Now if you don't want to send any data to Microsoft. Wait a couple of seconds, and there we go, we are all set, so let's tap on Let's Go. Over here, we need to tap on Set Default if you don't want to go back to the Pixel launcher, to the standard launcher, after trying to go to the home screen. So we're gonna switch to the Microsoft launcher, and there we go. Now we have a little introduction, so here is the Microsoft launcher now, the new launcher. And here you can see that we still have like a search bar or something, but in this case you can actually remove it quite easily. Now you will have to set up the home screen for yourself now, you will have to add apps and so on and so forth, create folders and stuff. And here is the app drawer, so as you can see it looks slightly different as well, but the rest is pretty much the same. If you go to settings, as you can see, it looks exactly the same. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.